Hi, I'm Teacher Malyn. This time we'll have Lesson 3, Dividing Rational Algebraic Expressions. Just like dividing fractions, the steps are all the same. We just get the reciprocal of the divisor, then we follow the same steps in multiplying fractions. Okay? So just like multiplying fractions, we can apply cancellation of the common terms and we do factoring. Okay, let's have example number 1. We have here 3a cubed over 2b squared divided by 16a squared. It should be only 6 over 16b cubed. As I said a while ago, we need to get the reciprocal of the second rational number, a rational expression, which is 6a squared over 16b cubed. So therefore, we need to copy first the first rational expression, 3a cubed over 2b squared. This time we now multiply 16b cubed over 6a squared. Then, we can factor each term in the numerator and each term in the denominator. For the numerator, let's factor 3, a, then the second numerator, we have 2 for 16. And for the b's, we have b, 3 b's, b. For the denominator of the first rational expression, we have 2 times b, okay, 2 b's only. And then the denominator of the second rational expression, we have 2 times 3 times a times a. Then do cancellation. So we now have for 3, 3. Okay, for letter A's, we have only 2 A's in the denominator. So we can cancel 2 A's in the numerator against the 2 A's in the denominator. There are two 2's in the numerator, so we can cancel 2 2's in the denominator. What about the b's? The b's in the denominator there are only 2, so we can cancel 2 b's here. So cancel 2 b's also in the numerator. Then let us copy the terms left. So we have, for the numerator, we have a. How many a's are left? Only 1. How many 2's are left? So 2 times 2 are left. And there is 1 b left in the numerator. What about in the b? Do we have terms left in the denominator? Are there? I think none. So we write 1 since there is none. So we simplify the numerators. Let's take first the numerical coefficients. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then a, b over 1. So therefore, we have 4ab for our quotient. So the quotient of example number 1, 3a cubed over 2b squared divided by 6a squared over 16b cubed is 4ab. Okay? Any question? I think you understood the steps in dividing the rational expressions in example number 1. Okay, very good. Okay, let's have example number 2. For number 2, we have the expression m minus 5n over m divided by n plus 4n over m cubed. In our solution, I already wrote the reciprocal of the divisor. So m3 is now in the numerator and m plus 4n is now in the denominator. And I use parentheses to indicate that we are ready to do or to apply the steps in multiplying rational algebraic expressions. So what is then the next step? Okay. In here, in the numerator of the first factor, do we have common between the first and the second term? I think none. Okay, what about the numerator of the second factor? Can we factor? Yes, we can. So we have to copy only m minus 5n times m times m times m. Then for the denominator in the second factor, we just copy. Okay? Is there common factor between the first and the second term in the denominator? I think there's none. So we have also m plus 4n. We just copy. Then let's cancel if there's some common factors to be canceled. I think we have only 1m to be canceled. Look at the numerators and the denominators. The numerator and the denominator now. Okay, I think none. We did not miss anything. So we simplify now. So we have m times m is m squared times m minus 5n over m plus 4n. Can I cancel here? No. So this is now the quotient. Are you ready for number 3? Okay, you can copy first if you want.